I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 97, and we're going to be talking about why photos are so important to your listing. We're closing in on episode 100, and to celebrate that, we're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card right here before Christmas. All you need to do to win is to be a YouTube subscriber, like the Chris Whitehurst Real Estate Facebook page, and share one of the remaining 4 episodes. A picture is worth 1,000 words is really an understatement when we're talking about quality photos. They are essential to putting your home on the list of potential buyers. Here's 3 reasons why they're critical. Reason 1, first impressions are everything. Most buyers are finding your home online. Those photos are like a direct invitation, and if they don't grab the attention of the buyers from the start, we're really fighting an uphill battle. Reason number 2, quality photos of your home connect buyers to it, and they begin to make an emotional connection to your home and begin to think of it as their home. Tip 3, quality photos help your home sell for more. The National Association of Realtors says that homes over $200,000 with quality photos can actually sell for $3,000 to $10,000 more than those that don't. I personally use the best photographer possible and equipment possible. We use well thought out photo choices. We plan the time of the day that make your home shine. We know the importance of good photos. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. And I'm on most popular social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.